Once the temperature goes below 80 degree, it will again turn off the LED. So let's see. If you have some cold thing, you can even touch that to the thermocouple as well. You can see that it is basically very sensitive and very reliable. It has very high temperature range from 0 to 1024 degrees centigrade. So you can use it in many applications. You can use them in the huge applications. And it is good, easy to install. It has a mounting on it, a spiral on it as well. So you can easily make its fitting as well. Now see, the temperature has reached the 88 degrees centigrade. Let it fall further.